Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the unboxing of the Trip Money forex card that I have received today. This card has been launched by Make My Trip in collaboration with State Bank of Mauritius. So let's see what are the benefits after doing the unboxing. You can see the card came in a sleek envelope from Trip Money. You can clearly see Make My Trip logo and the logo of State Bank of Mauritius. Already I have opened it. There is a envelope here with a QR code. You can see the main benefit of this card. It is written here. It is a global cash card with zero forex markup. So the card look exactly like this. It's a very nice green shaded plastic card and it's a Visa Platinum card. You can see the logo here, State Bank of Mauritius logo and Trip Money logo. What are the benefits of this card? In most of the credit cards and debit cards, there is something known as forex markup fee, and it varies from 1.5 to 3.5 plus GST. So unlike those cards, this card comes with an amazing benefit of zero forex markup fee. So what you have to do is, you can load Indian currency through Make My Trip app, and if you are going to US, you can spend in US dollar, or if you are going to Europe, you can spend in euro. This Visa Platinum card is accepted in all POS and ATMs across 150 countries which accept Visa. That is not the end of the story. This Trip Money Global Cash Card also comes with a handful of joining offers and benefits, and it worth over 70,000. Last but not the least, it has complimentary Make My Trip Black offer. So the card looks like this. It's a deep green shaded card, and the back side looks like this. So this card is expected to be beneficial for those persons who wish to travel to abroad a lot, and for the students who are going to have their further studies in abroad universities. Okay, thank you so much for seeing the video. Please like, share and comment.